everyone, this is Zara from Baby Wise She, and today I will be reviewing another Indian product for baby care. A lot of you have asked about which baby lotions are best for your child's skin, and I thought to review the one that I have been using of late for my daughter. The one that I'm talking about is this one from the brand Himalaya. It is called the Himalaya Baby Lotion. These lotions come in 3 size variants. The first one being in 400 ml, which costs around 215 rupees. As you can see, this is large and has the pump dispenser. The second size is of 200 ml and this costs around 145 rupees. The third size I think is within 100 rupees and I think it's around 100 or 120 ml. Not very sure about that. But yeah, these are available in 3 sizes, so you can try and pick out whichever you like. First off, let's discuss about the packaging. The packaging, as you can see, is very sturdy, whether these are the flip top lids or the pump dispensers, which do have a lock, by the way. They have those locks like this, so there is no danger of your child misusing it or keeping on pumping around excess product and wasting it. Yeah, so the packaging is really good. There is also no issue of these bottles bursting or anything of the sort. They are very sturdy, very strong, and even if you had to throw this across, it would not break. Easy to travel with, and there has been no issue of leakage that I have faced till date. Let me tell you what this cream says. What it says is, this is a gentle lotion specially formulated to restore the skin's natural beauty, leaving skin soft and supple. Enriched with almond oil that restores skin moisture, olive oil which improves skin luster, and yashti madhu and country mallow which soothes the skin. Well, olive oil, as all of you know, is really beneficial to a child's skin, which is one of the reasons why I thought to use this. And of course, almond oil. Initially, when I used to massage my daughter, I used to do that with either olive oil or almond oil. And when I saw that these were both available in a cream, I thought, why not to try it? Especially since my daughter started rejecting massages. So yeah, I think at least I am convinced that my daughter is still getting the goodness of almond oil and olive oil in her skin. So nothing quite like it. Coming to the texture of this cream, let me show you. It's on the liquidy side. It is runny as well. I have found that this is very quickly absorbed into the skin. But yes, I do have to say that if your child has dry skin like my daughter, then probably this would not be suitable during winters. For example, even these winters, the last winters that we had, this did not provide sufficient moisturization to my daughter's skin. Even her skin within half an hour of applying this would become dry and kind of scaly. So I had to go back to using Pseudoderm and Aveeno. These creams, however, are perfect during the summer. My daughter is 2 now and I have used this cream for around 2 summers and have really liked the way that it works on her skin. Her skin is extremely sensitive, however, there has been no issue of allergies whatsoever. Also, during the summers, the effect is very long term. I just apply this for her in the morning and in the evening, and I don't really feel the need to apply anytime in between. During the summers, this is absolutely perfect. With regards to the availability, these are very easily available at pharmacies, at general stores, and even online. These are also very pocket friendly, so I think anyone can afford to pick them up, and the fact that it's good for your skin is another plus point. Your child will definitely like this. The smell is not strong. It's a very mild scent that I guess is a mixture of almond and olive oil, and the scent is really nice, and although it doesn't linger for long, so that's another plus point. And there is absolutely no danger of allergies with this. So if you have a doubt and if you do like to use such products, then definitely go in for it. Do not think twice. I hope you've liked this short review on the Himalaya Baby Lotion, and if you have, please do hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. If you have any requests or any queries, please do let us know and we will do our best to reply to you as fast as possible. Until next time, stay safe. See you. Bye-bye.